Okay, well this is a screencast of one of my enhanced ebooks. That's an ebook that integrates video. It's what I've been spending the last 5 years on, and I've got about 30 different publications. Now let's go to full screen. So what we're seeing here is a virtual reality book, and I'm using a 22-inch screen on a computer, so ideally these books should be listened to on a computer. I don't know whether you can hear the music, but there's a nice bit of guitar music by Robin Nolan as an introductory thing, and acoustic guitar, easy build, has no less than 40 videos in it, and you just click on load. But there we are. I don't know whether you can hear the sound there. The top have been edge at any rate, we're going to reduce the thickness to preview just under 3 millimeters. Is limited in content. There are various features such as table of contents. So if we go to tools required, and incidentally this is one of about 6 pages on tools, and I recommend, and I've researched thoroughly all the low-cost tools that really are efficient. So it kind of keeps the budget down on the book, because you could spend 300 or 400 quid on building a guitar and on materials, and even 2,000 or 3,000 pounds on a course, whereas this is probably the equivalent of 2 or 3 weeks work, maybe 2 weeks work, using really low cost materials. Another feature is the zoom facility, which we double click, and this brings a nice close up, and here you can see this guy made a guitar, and he is an electrician, and the nearest to sawing accuracy he got was probably within about an 1/8 inch accuracy. Cutting plastic conduit, was he slipped with the router here, so we featured the mistake and covered it with a bit of inlay. So with wood, wonderful thing about wood is there's always a way of remedying a problem. And of course we bought in the fingerboard already fretted, because that is quite difficult to do. So there we are. Other features, you can add notes to this, and you type in your note here, which is I don't know, I'm just going to put the word tools in there. Actually, I haven't tried out the note facility before, but there you are, the note comes up there. I mean, that's rather neat. And the other facilities, because this is a preview, you can share it, you can print it, you can download it. We've got full screen, the zoom, word search. Let's try that out. The word neck comes up about 8 on 8 different pages. Let's go to one of them, and there you are, it's highlighted in yellow. So it really is a very easy to use publication format. Oh, that's my doorbell. Just put this on hold a moment. Okay, so I'm back. Where was I? That was actually an Amazon delivery, and it shows actually with these ebooks, obviously online, you can view them instantly. There's no waiting for the postman or paying extra for delivery. So this is just one of several, about 30 publications that I've created over the last 5 years, ranging from projects that have really highly detailed plans. And you know, it's so boring when it's printed out as a PDF. It's so much nicer on a big computer to see it and read it as though it's a real book.